Hi everyone, David here from EasyGold, and I'm here to showcase a brand new plugin I've been working on for a few days now. And yeah, let's get on with it. Let's go and add the plugin. So we'll go into our site, go to plugins, add new plugin, and we're going to upload the plugin and we're going to browse for it. And here it is. It is called Quiz Ninja. And yeah, we'll get Quiz Ninja installed. And we're going to show you some pretty cool stuff that it'll do. Okay, we'll activate the plugin, and the plugin is now activated, and you can see it's in the left hand menu here under Quiz Ninja in amongst all our other ninjas. Okay, so we'll click on Quiz Ninja, take you to the dashboard, and of course the first thing you're going to need is an API key. Okay, so I'm going to paste in my API key right here. Save the API key. It's now validated itself. Okay, and immediately it opens up this email autoresponder script. Okay, so you enter your autoresponder script in here. This will be used as a pop-up following successful quiz entry, and we'll show you that in a little while. Okay, so first things first, I use Email Octopus. So I'm going to use their script, and I've already prepared one, so I'm going to add it to my website. Here's the script we actually want, and we'll go back to Quiz Ninja and we'll paste in the autoresponder script, which is right there. We'll save the script, and what you'll notice is as soon as it saves the script, it displays the actual autoresponder in the dashboard for you to view. Okay. So that's the first part of it. That's the dashboard done. API key, autoresponder script, piece of cake. Okay, so obviously there are no quizzes right now on all quizzes. There are no quizzes to be looked at. Okay, so we'll go to the next little stage in here, and we'll go and create a quiz. Now, the whole idea of creating this plugin was because a good friend of mine, Craig Galloway, has got his little quiz creator called Quiz SAS Gold. Okay, and it's a great little piece of kit for creating quizzes really quickly. I actually love this to create the quizzes. I could have made it in the plugin, but this is such an easy way of doing it. Okay, why reinvent the wheel when it's already invented? Okay, so here's where we can create our quiz right in here. Okay, you can manage quizzes up here. I've made some other quizzes earlier. We'll go to a new quiz so we can create one. So we're going to need a quiz name, and I did ask GPT earlier to give me some ideas for quizzes, so I'm going to choose this rivers and lakes right here. Okay, because I'm going to choose that and go back to Quiz SAS Gold, and that's what my quiz name is going to be. It's going to be added into a category. Well, this is geographical, so we're going to add it to the geography category. Lots of languages to choose from in here. Okay, loads and loads. Okay, plenty. And the type we're going to use multiple choice, because that's the one I like doing best. Okay, at least it gives someone a chance. All right, so multiple choice it is, and we're going to suggest a topic, and the topic's going to be exactly the same. Okay, but we're going to change rivers and lakes. We're going to make it nice and rivers and lakes, and we're going to put around the world. Okay, and that's your topic, and simple case of just generating it, and off it goes. It goes and asks AI. This also uses an API key, and Craig has got some really good tutorials in here which will show you exactly how to get your API key in the first place, and you can use the same API key for Quiz SAS Gold as you can use for Quiz Ninja. Okay, so here we go. It's created the quiz already for us. Okay, and we'll go down here and we'll look for the answers, and here are all the answers, just like this. Everything looks pretty cool, and what we're going to do is, now there is plenty of tutorials in here on how to use Quiz SAS Gold, and you can use it as intended. I just wanted to make things a little simpler for myself, so it's created the quiz for me. I'm just going to copy that quiz. Okay, And I'm going to go back into created the new quiz in Quiz Ninja. I'm going to paste this in here. Okay. Now there's a couple of things we need to do first. Okay. We need to remove this questions. Okay, because it tells you here 3 stars quiz title, 3 stars quiz title. All right. Doesn't need the questions. We're going to get rid of it. Okay. Just like that. And we're going to go down. Okay, and you can see here there's three dots, and it has the answers, and here's your 3 dots, and there's the answers. I'll take that little space out just in case. I'm not too sure. And all the answers are here. Don't cheat anybody. Okay, so I'll hide it from you quickly. Okay, and down here we have a duration. So I haven't set the timer yet within Quiz Ninja. I may do so. I'm not sure if I will or not. Okay, so there's a duration. You can set that to whatever. I'm going to leave it at the default of 30 minutes, all right? Just in case someone wants to make a coffee in between answering the quiz. And then there is a passing score. Okay, at the moment, passing score is default, as it is at 70%. You can make it lower, you can make it higher to make it more difficult, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then we should be able to just create the quiz. Okay. And off it goes, created the quiz, and the quiz has been created successfully. Okay, so now we can go to Quiz Ninja, we can go to all quizzes, and you can see that here the quiz has been done. So it's Rivers and Lakes Around the World quiz. And we are now going to go in and edit this quiz. Okay, so you just click on it to edit it, and we'll go in here, and you can see that we have now, it creates the quiz with a shortcode. Okay, and it'll also give you a preview, okay, of what the quiz is all about, all the questions, etc., etc. Okay, that's just a preview. All right, now my idea was that the quiz is great as is, all right, no problem at all, but I would like a supporting article to go with that quiz. Okay, just to make it a little bit more SEO friendly, okay, so that the search engines are more likely to index the quiz and maybe use it for lots of different other bits and pieces. Okay, so we've got here a generate related article. Okay, and it says here, click the button below to generate a related article to this quiz. Again, lots of language options you can use. Okay, I'm going to stick with English, and we're just going to click on generate article, and you can see it's now generating an article. It's using the API key that we put in the dashboard. Okay, and once it's generated the article, this takes a little bit of time to go out to the API, get GPT to write the article for you, and it'll come back in. Okay, we'll just wait a minute or so. I'll try not to talk through it, okay, but it is generating the article as we speak, and shortly, there we go, article is generated and appended successfully. So now it'll refresh the page, which it has done, and now you can see the shortcode. Okay, and now we have an article that goes with it. Okay, all with their H2s and H3s. Okay, lots of different things. Okay, and what have you, it's ready to go. So you could just update the article and leave it go as it is. All right, but I didn't like doing it this way. Okay, so I made this little generate image. Now I'm going to move it up the scale a little bit. Let's move it up more to where I like it. Okay, so I like the related article, and then we can generate an image. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to now generate an image. So, you know, down here, okay, we have this thing called set a featured image. All right, and we haven't got one. Okay, so let's make one. All right, and the easy way to do that is to grab a load of text. Okay, we might even take, let's take this much. All right, let's take this much, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to go to generate an image, and here's the image prompt, and we're going to paste that straight in there, and we're going to click on generate an image. and away it goes, and it's going to generate an image for us. Let's see what kind of image comes back. Again, takes a minute or two. Again, I'll try not to talk over it, but I don't like a lot of dead space. But yeah, it's generating an image for you, and away we go. Come along, there we go. And you can see, because we had 3 different rivers, Amazon, Nile and Mississippi, it's given us 3 different rivers to look at. Okay, now you've got a choice here now whether you want to insert that image into the editor, which you can do. Okay, you can do it straight away. Okay, and we can put our little cursor there, click this insert image to editor, and it puts the image in. It's as simple as that. But we'll do it a different way. We'll close that, and we can actually grab hold of this image, drag it across, and also put it in. Okay, now as you can see, there we go, that's better. All right, and so now you can align it. So you can align it left, you can align it right, you can slap bang it in the middle if you want to, you know, whatever you like. So that'll change things around. But what I'm really interested in for this one, we want it as a featured image, so we're going to use it as so we'll set the featured image. It's in the media library. We just click on it and we'll set it as a featured image. Okay, for this. All right, but again, looks a little bit boring, so let's go and create another image for this. We'll just take a shorter one. Okay, without the 3 rivers. Let's see what we like. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it in the image prompt, paste it in, generate an image. And it's going away now, and it's generating a new image for us just for that little piece. And let's see what kind of image we get back. And I said, it takes a minute or so for it to come in, and there we go. So we can use that image, and again, right, just click on here, insert image into the editor. We're going to align it left. Okay, so here we go, majestic rivers of the world. So I'm going to take that, copy that, click on it, edit it, edit the alternative text. All text is also always given generated image. Okay, that's so for SEO, so that every image has an alt no matter what, but you just go in and change it, paste and update. Okay, so that's put a little image in there. So we'll go down a little bit further. So we'll do this rivers and lakes that are all of ecosystems. So we'll grab all of this. Okay, we'll copy it and we'll create another image. And by the way, the cost of generating these images 4 US cents, okay, per image. So in this one, I might do 3 or 4. So that'll be about anywhere between 12 and 16 cents. If you want more images, 4 cents per image. That's exactly what it costs. So there we go. It's given us this. We know exactly where we want it. So we'll do that. We'll set the image on this one. That one was on the left. So we'll put this one to the right. Okay. So we'll go rivers and lakes, because that's pretty much what it's all about. Rivers and lakes. We'll copy it, change the alt text to rivers and lakes, update it. Okay, and we might as well do one more because we've got a little bit more here. We'll do something with conservation. Hey, we might as well grab the whole lot. Okay, let's go and make another one. One last image for you. Okay, we'll generate the image. I like how big these fish are in that image there. They're massive fish. Absolutely full of fish. Incredible. Okay, but as I said, for images, for articles, they're perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them whatsoever. So there we go. It's created an image for us again. We know exactly where we want it. We want it over here. Insert image into the editor. We'll go left on this one. So we'll just take that title, okay, grab that, paste that in there, update it. Okay, so now we've got a featured image for the quiz, we've got some images in the article, okay, and then we'll just update the entire lot. Okay, now we could do the SEO analysis because I'm using Yoast. We could actually do it. Okay, I'm not going to do it for this one. I can't be asked to do it right now. So let's go and update this article. So we're going to update it, and that article is updated, and now we can actually go and look at it. So let's open the link in a new tab, and here it is. Here is our Rivers and Lakes quiz. Taking a little bit of time to load, I don't know why. Okay, so here we go. This is exactly what it looks like. All right, now we've kept the images nice and small because if you're on a mobile phone you want small, easy to load, fast images. Okay, so that's what it is, and here's the quiz. What is the longest river in the world? I have no idea. We'll take it as the Amazon. Okay, and then we'll just do stuff. I don't know the answers. Which lake is the largest freshwater lake surface area? Let's go with Tanganyika. I have no idea. Through which major city? Okay, it goes through London. What is the primary source of the Amazon? I'm going to go for rainwater. The Great Lake, how many in number? How many Great Lakes are there? Do you guys know? I don't. I'm going to guess at 3. Which river flows to Cairo? No idea. We'll go with Nile. Which takes is the deepest point in the world? Ooh, that's a good one. Let's say it's that one. Okay, let's just click these randomly, right, so you can see what goes on. Okay, we'll just randomly do our 20 questions because otherwise we'll be here all evening and I don't want to be honest with you. Okay, Congo. And there we have it. Okay, and then you get to submit your answers, and you can see the article is below it, all right, with our wonderful images inside of it. Okay, there they are. They're already in there. Okay, plenty of good SEO stuff there. You'll even see in some of it that it's bolding words up, like Lake Baikal, Mississippi, Nile. Okay, these are all entities to do with it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to submit your answers. Submit your answers. It'll scroll to the top of the page. Okay, and it pops up. Pop up exactly like I promised you earlier. Love this quiz. Get more fun quizzes delivered to your inbox. You scored 30%. Wow, I did better than I thought. To be honest with you. Okay. And do you want to beat your score next time? And you can just put in your first name, last name, email, and we'll show you that this works. So I might as well fill it out. Okay, David, last name Edwards, and my email address if anybody wants to send me an email. Okay, and we'll just click on subscribe. And then there is obviously a captcha because this stops the bots filling this stuff out. Okay, so what do we want? We want cars. So there's a car there, there's a car there. There's obviously cars over there. These are very grainy. Car, no car. Those are all buses, so I'm going to verify it. And then of course it asks you for another one. Okay, so bridges. Don't know what that is. There we go, and it just says thanks for subscribing. Okay, and you can easily close it down. You just close it off with this, and then it leaves you with the page. All right, by the way, that pop-up works on mobile phones, tablets, everywhere. It works everywhere. Okay, so you can actually share on Facebook as well if you want to. You can see, sorry you did not pass, better luck next time. Your score is 30%, only 6 right out of 20. Okay, so you can actually share on Facebook. It'll open up the Facebook sharer. Okay, just wait for it to come from Facebook. It's taking its time. Here we go. What's on your mind? %. Can you do better? And let's put a little emoji in there for fun. Can you do better? What would we use as an emoji? Anybody know? I have no idea. Let's do that. And then we'll use this one. Okay, so let's put the emojis in. Alright, that's got a terrible 30%. Can you do better? It says, can you do better? And we'll just share it. And out it goes and it shares it. Okay. And if you go to Facebook, because this is opened up in a new one, this is all different things that we've got. Okay, but we should be able to click, I think it's this one to look at my own. Yeah, there we go. So here's my own one. And it should have shared it. There we go. That's got a 10+30. Can you do better? And that is the plugin in a nutshell. As you can see, nothing's really changed. The article stays as it is. There's no need to play with it. It reads well. It gives people a little bit more interest. If you really want to push it, you can even make a video out of this easily. I've shown you before. You can use Lumen 5, make a video out of it, okay, and get even more engagement. And as you can see at the bottom of our things, we've got a little I've forgotten what those are called. Damn it. Anyway, you can copy it on your mobile phone and go straight to the quiz. Okay, and that is it, guys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the little showcase, and yeah, I'll see you soon.